Hello, greetings to you, all beautiful soul. Another style is here. Let's learn it together. Oh yes, let's learn together with second material or your ashoke or even your current material. Let's go. Alright, so the division is 50-50, meaning that I divided it into two equal halves. Then I place it on my head this way, fold a little bit, about 1 inch inside. We're making sure it's equal, 50-50. Then I started taking my pleats. I want to take pleats, maybe 2-3 pleats. Okay, if you don't want pleats, you can leave it like that. Okay, but I want to pleat it. If you pleat your head wrap, it will give it another sweet, positive vibe. Not that if you don't pleat it, it's not good. It's good, but then if you pleat, alright. Okay, so arranging the pleat now. Arranging the pleat. Arranging the pleat and taking it to the back. Okay. The material you're using this is just like maybe if it's actually 3 layers. If you're having 4 layers, you can go ahead and pleat 4, maybe 4 or 5, so that you have what to. But if it's 3 layers like this, if you pleat more than that, you might not really have enough material to close it at the back. I want to close this at the back, so we are going to take everything to the back now after arranging it, holding it this way, and take everything to the back. This way, then you cross it. Crossing it once and bringing everything to the front. Okay. Bringing everything to the front. Then we are going to twist now, making sure you're not using the wrong side of the material. So we are going to twist like this, twist inside like this, don't twist like this. Always twist it in like this. The more you twist it in like this, it will make the base to be very firm. Okay? Twist it, then this one too. And twist. Twist. Making sure it's very firm. Then you raise it up this way. Cross it. And then knot it once. This side is very simple, very easy. Don't tell me you can't do this. So please, you that is watching, I want you to practice it. It's very simple. So knotting it this way now. I'm going to open this one. Stretching it out. Alright, this one now, bringing it down, edge down, tuck it in here, or if you don't mind, you can use your own thing to hold it, okay? But if you know you're afraid of pain, and there is opportunity for you to tuck the end in, you go ahead and do that. As you can see now, I tuck this one in, alright? But I told you, please remember, if you know that the Owambe or party that you want to attend, you're going to dance and waltz with your head, better use office pin and pin your head wrap to avoid embarrassment. Alright, so this side now, okay, let's bring this one now. Going to bring it down like this. If you're squeezing it, bring the edge down and pin it on the roots here. Use your office pin to pin it there. Alright, you're still coming to work on it. Let's work on this one. We're coming to stretch it out so we work on here. For this edge now, I'm going to bring it down, down the edge, bring it down and merge this together. Just pin it. Use your office pin join it together then you squeeze it a little bit, see you're squeezing it, okay, not too much. Then this edge, you bring it down as well here and tuck it in, push it in there. If you want to pin it, you're very free to do that, okay. So we're going to arrange it very well now. Arrange it very well. Now we are done tying. What is left now is for us to arrange it and get a desired shape, okay. So keep arranging. This place that looks as if it's open, I'm going to use office pin to pin it down, pin it to the base there. Right, I will continue to arrange this side. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing her voice is David, it is the Empire. So please do well to drop your like, drop your comment, subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to do that, and also don't forget to share my video to your families and friends. Let them also benefit. Learn how to tie your head wrap all by yourself. I'll see what we have here. Alright, so that is it. Pushing it back a little bit, and you have your beautiful all one bed style, elegant style. Rush it out. Alright, so now let's close the bag. Okay, so this is the bag. We're going to bring it. The emphasis now. Look at this. Fold it in. You're folding it in. You're bringing it down. Folding it in. You're bringing it down. Folding it in. You're bringing it down. Then you pick your office pin and pin it. Alright, so this is what the back looks like. You can see, please decide. Here we go, there we go. So you can see, you can decorate it further if you want. If you don't, you can go with it like this. Just look for a comfortable place and fix your hair accessories. If you don't like it, you can let it go. But if you like it, you can use it. I like using hair accessories. I've said it before now. It gives your head wrap this positive. I don't really know what. Our beautiful, elegant head wrap is ready. So now it's time for us to party. Yes, time for us to party. Okay, so dance, 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 dance time. Thank you very much for watching. As I said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Temi, the Empire on YouTube and on Facebook, Temi Entertainment. Please do well to drop your like, drop your comment. If actually you are learning something that is beautiful. If you are to tie your head wrap outside, you know how much it's going to cost you. So learn how to do it by yourself. Operation DIY. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe. I welcome you once again, all my new subscribers and good subscribers. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. I love you all.